Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states that a companion entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, I live on a lowland area which abounds with iguanas, and it is a standing dish with my family. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave him no reply. We asked him to repeat the request. He repeated the request, but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave him no reply for 3 times. On the third request, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam called him and said, O the desert Arab, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu cast curse on some people of Banu Israel, or showed wrath to them and metamorphosed them into the shape of the animals which tread on the earth. I do not know by conjecture. Perhaps it is one of those animals, so I neither eat it nor proscribe from eating it. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 5018.